Guys, welcome back to the channel. So looking at Nvidia stock, I bought the dip today. I was looking at around 142, sold all the way down to about 126, which is my cost basis, a little less than that. I saw it almost down 12% in the pre-market, decided to buy, and I guess that was not the right move, but that's okay. We're going to continue holding this stock. Looking at it on the 1-year chart, you can see that this stock was just $150 a share. I'll reveal my position after this, but 148 all the way down to 117 is a 20% decline, and that was only within a couple of days. 2 days is all it took to have this monster pullback. I decided I'm going to buy this dip, and let's see how it goes. I thought it was going to hold. I thought it was going to hold right in this yellow zone from 127 to 128. And I figured right at the pop of the bell, we were going to get a nice increase in share price. And I was right to an extent. It went up to about 127, almost 128, and then it just sold off. So that didn't work out too well. I was actually up a point and a half on it. Probably should have took those gains, watched it sell off, but that's okay. I'm okay holding Nvidia. I think this is a good hold. And I have about 418 shares, about $52,000 invested, and we got a share price of 125.95, and we are down about, it looks like 6%, about $3,200. Didn't follow a stop loss on this one, so we'll see if we pay for it, but I think by the end of the week, Nvidia is going to recover to at least 130. And let's get into the news on why it's been selling off. On Grok here, it says the sell-off in tech stocks, including Nvidia, is attributed basically on the emergence of DeepSeek, a significant catalyst of the release of the advanced, cost-effective AI model by the Chinese startup DeepSeek. The development raised questions about the sustainability of current AI investments, particularly in the U.S., where companies like Nvidia have been key players with high valuations driven by AI technology. The model's performance and lower cost of development challenge the narrative around the necessity of massive AI spending. Now, this is definitely a very good concern, but for me, when I see a sell-off like that, I'm going to buy the dip, and let's see if it works. In the comment section below, my thesis is that we're going to get a bounce here. We're going to get a retest. I mean, this is a gap fill right here. It's clear as day, just this zone right here. So 125 all the way up to 142 is definitely a gap fill. I mean, this happened overnight, just right from the pre-market, right at 4 a.m., boom, blasted down from 142 down to 123. I think we're going to get a retest here. So for me, I feel comfortable holding this position. Obviously, I don't want it to break below 116. Then I might have to follow a stop loss there. But looking at it, it's trading around 120 in the post-market. If we got to move back to 130, it's not unrealistic. It's a 9 to 10% move. Get a retest of that, and then if it wants to continue failing, then that's fine. But I would imagine that Nvidia is potentially going to get a bounce here. And obviously, it's not financial advice. I'm bag holding. Don't follow me. But just looking at a massive stock like this to pull back, look at this percentage pullback in the last couple of days. Just 150 down to 116. That's a 21% move in 2 days. I'm thinking we can get some upside here. Let's get a move back up, retest that 130 level. And best case scenario, if we can get above 130, then we can maybe see if we can get a move back up to 140. That's what I'm looking at for this stock. Tell me in the comment section below. Was it a bad idea to buy Nvidia? Was it a good idea? I want to hear from you guys.